Hi guys, welcome to Feifei's Chinese Self-Study Room. Here we are learning Phase 3 of Preschool Class Topic 2, Strokes and Calligraphy. In this lesson, we will focus on 撇, left fallen stroke, a crucial stroke that extends downward to the left in Chinese characters, adding dynamic and graceful contours to the character structure, just like the arms and legs of Chinese characters. The left fallen stroke includes 7 typical types. 短撇, short left fallen stroke. 平撇, horizontal left fallen stroke. 斜撇, slanting left fallen stroke. 竖撇, vertical left fallen stroke. 横撇, horizontal left fallen turn stroke. 横折折撇, horizontal turn double turn left fallen stroke. 竖折撇, vertical turn left fallen stroke. Each type has unique writing rhythms and applications in character composition. 短撇, short left fallen stroke. This is a short and quick left fallen stroke, usually sharp and forceful at the tip. When writing, start with a light press of the brush, then quickly sweep downward to the left and lift the brush to form a sharp point. It is often used as the top stroke of a character to open up the structure. Example character 午 meaning noon, midday. 平撇 horizontal left fallen stroke. As the name implies, this stroke is almost horizontal with a slight left fallen tilt, flatter than other left fallen strokes. When writing, keep the stroke level and short, with a steady brush movement from right to left. It is commonly used at the top of the characters to balance the upper part of the character. Example character 千 meaning thousand. 斜撇 slanting left fallen stroke. This is the most common left fallen stroke, slanting distinctly downward to the left with a moderate length. When writing, start with a slight press. Then glide the brush diagonally downward to the left, gradually lightening the pressure to form a sharp end. Example character 人 meaning person, people. The last stroke of this character is 捺, right fallen stroke, which we will learn in the next lesson. 竖撇 vertical left fallen stroke. This stroke combines the features of a vertical stroke and a left fallen stroke. It starts at a straight vertical line, then turns sharply left and downward at the bottom. When writing, keep the upper part straight like a vertical stroke. Then smoothly curve the brush to the left and sweep down to form a sharp point. Example character 川 meaning river, stream. 横撇 horizontal left fallen turn stroke. This is a combined stroke with a horizontal segment followed by a left fallen turn. When writing, first draw a short horizontal stroke to the right, then pass the brush, a key step for the turn, then sweep downward to the left to form the left fallen part. Example character 右 meaning again, also. The last stroke of this character is also the 捺, right fallen stroke, that we will learn in the next lesson. 横折折撇 horizontal turn double turn left fallen stroke. This is a complex combined stroke with two turns. First, a horizontal stroke and a downward turn, then other turn followed by a left fallen stroke. When writing, pay attention to the rhythm of the two turns. Pause briefly at each turn to keep the stroke neat and structured. Then finish with a sharp left fallen tip. Example character 急 急 meaning reach, end. The last stroke of this character is also the na, right fallen stroke that we will learn in the next lesson. 竖折撇 vertical turn left fallen stroke. This stroke consists of a vertical segment, a rightward turn and a final left fallen segment. When writing, start with a vertical stroke downward, pause to turn right slightly, then sweep sharply downward to the left to form the 撇 part. Example character 专 专 meaning special, concentrate. The last stroke of this character is the 点 dot stroke, which we will learn later. Homework. Write each example character 五千人川右急专 20 times carefully, following the writing rules of each left fallen stroke we learned today. Pay attention to the different angles and lengths of the 7 left fallen strokes and note the strokes 那 and 点 that will be covered in future lessons for the relevant characters.